To be effective, a hose timer should be simple to use, allowing for quick and easy watering whenever and wherever necessary. Ahead, learn what to look for when shopping for a hose timer and find out why the following models earned a spot on this lineup of the best hose timers for most yards.
Number 1. Orbit Single Outlet Hose Watering Timer. Those with smaller lawns or gardens that don't need multiple watering zones should consider this budget-friendly 2-pack of hose timers from Orbit. After popping 2 AA batteries into each, simply connect the hose timers to 3/4-inch water valves to automatically control the watering schedule of the lawn and garden. Each hose timer can be set to a water duration range of 1 minute to 240 minutes, 4 hours. Additionally, each timer can be programmed to a frequency of once every 6 hours to once every 7 days, with a specific time to activate throughout the scheduled time period. Other features include a rain delay function that can be set to skip watering for 24, 48, or 72-hour periods, as well as a manual override button that allows for even more flexibility in the watering schedule. These hose timers have been tested for operation at a maximum water pressure of 100 psi, which is more than the average water pressure for most homes, 30 to 80 psi. However, we've noted an occasional water hammer effect because its valve shuts off very quickly, so you may want to attach it to a water hammer arrestor to protect your pipes. Pros: up to 240 minutes of watering time, manual override button, handles up to 100 psi water pressure, 6-year warranty. Cons: batteries not included. Number 2. Orbit 62034 Mechanical Watering Hose Timer. Without the bells and whistles of a digital timer, the Orbit 62034 Mechanical Watering Hose Timer is a budget-friendly option for your garden. Unlike more advanced models that start automatically at set times, this unit works more like an egg timer. You manually start it, and it shuts off when the set time has elapsed. All you have to do is twist the dial to your desired watering duration, from 15 to 120 minutes, and the timer takes care of the rest. Because of its mechanical design, this timer requires no batteries, and it has a manual watering setting in case you need to use your hose for another task. The simple design requires no programming, so you can just twist it into place and start using it immediately. Its high-impact construction should last for several seasons. It'll turn the water off when it's done. This means that also, like the Instapark, you have to be home to start it. But for a basic model which frees you up for other tasks, this is a great little unit. The only reason I rate it lower than the Instapark is because it doesn't look as streamlined. Otherwise, it's nearly identical in function. Pros: inexpensive, simple operation, no batteries required, comfort grip for easy use. Cons: manual start. Number 3. Gilmour 8040141001 GTD Outlet Electronic Timer, with dual hose connections. The Gilmour electronic hose timer allows users to automatically control 2 zones within a yard or garden. Just choose between the left or the right outlet and set the watering duration, frequency, and a specific start time. Then switch to the opposite outlet and repeat the process with the same or different parameters, depending on personal preference. Made of durable, high-impact plastic, the hose timer runs on 2 AA batteries. It can be set to a duration range between 1 minute and 360 minutes. And a rain delay function can be used to cancel the watering cycle for 24, 48, or 72 hours. A safeguard function automatically shuts the water off when the battery on the device runs low to prevent overwatering. The timer is made of durable, high-impact plastic, with a metal coupling for durability, and it automatically shuts off the water if the battery is low, helping to ensure it doesn't get stuck. The only downside is it can create a slight water hammer effect when it shuts off the hose, so you may want to install it with a water hammer arrestor. Pros: dual hose capability, up to 360 minutes of watering time, made with high-impact plastic, rain delay feature. Cons: heavy weight, batteries not included. Number 4. Orbit 21004 Beehive Smart Hose Faucet Timer. The Orbit 21004 Beehive Smart Hose Faucet Timer connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to create highly customized watering schedules for your garden. The single hose timer's technology provides watering recommendations based on factors such as slope, soil type, sun/shade conditions, and historical weather data. It also takes into account live weather forecasts, ensuring your plants aren't over or underwatered. Thanks to these smart abilities, the Beehive timer can help you to save water. It's even certified by the EPA's WaterSense program. This hose timer has a brass connection that's more durable than most plastic pieces, and it operates on 2 AA batteries. It requires water pressure from 10 to 100 psi, and the timer connects to any standard 0.75-inch garden hose. Its Wi-Fi hub needs to be plugged into an outlet inside your home. While the manufacturer says you can expand the system with additional timers, we've seen problems when trying to control multiple units at the same time. Pros: smart capabilities, metal construction, automatically adjusts watering based on local conditions, EPA WaterSense certified. Cons: problems using multiple units. Number 5. Orbit 58910 Programmable Hose Faucet Timer. This is the best hose timer for medium-sized lawns, as it has a durable plastic body that is water-resistant and will last many years. It comes with 2 outlets and operates with a rotary dial mechanism. It has a swivel connection and features a display screen. The timer is battery-powered and retains all programmed settings even when the battery is removed. Its rain delay feature can pause watering for 24, 48, or 72 hours. The watering duration can be set from 1 to 240 minutes, while the watering frequency is adjustable from every 6 hours to every 7th day. You can also choose to manually water your lawn without disturbing your programming. Besides, if there's a chance of rain, you can delay it for 2 or 3 days. No longer will you have to worry about forgetting to turn it off and coming back to a soggy lawn. As a result, you'll save a lot of water, and thanks to the manual watering function, you can continue to work uninterrupted. You can use it for a long time while the durable weather-resistant construction ensures that it remains in top shape.